Pressure conditions during the southwest monsoon season. As I have already said, the large land masses to the north of Indian Ocean get intensely heated by the end of May. This causes the formation of an intense low pressure area in the interior parts of the subcontinent and cooler water bodies like Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal surrounding it with high pressure. As the high pressure is capable enough to attract the southeast trade winds blowing in the southern hemisphere, the southeast trade winds after crossing the equator are deflected towards the right because of the Coriolis force. What is Coriolis force? This is the force created due to the rotation of the earth, and due to this force winds are deflected towards the right in the northern hemisphere. As India is in northern hemisphere, winds are deflected towards the right and reach west coast and are termed as southwest monsoon winds. The southwest monsoon winds are divided into two branches due to the tapering topography of peninsular India, Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. First, we will talk about the Arabian Sea branch. The Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon strike the western Ghats of India in Kerala on 1st June. It gives very heavy rainfall with thunder and lightning on the windward side of western Ghats. As these winds are unable to cross over western Ghats is termed as burst of monsoon. This type of rainfall is termed as orographic or relief rainfall. Now the question is, why relief? Because a mountain barrier is responsible for bringing rainfall. What is the mountain barrier here? Western Ghats. What are Western Ghats? These are chain of hills. During this time, when the southwest monsoon winds fail to bring rain for 2 or more weeks, this dry period during rainy season is termed as break of monsoon. The second branch of Arabian Sea moved towards northward and strike the Mahabaleshwar hills situated on the western sides of the Western Ghats. As Mumbai is situated on the windward side of Western Ghats, it receives more than 250 centimeters of rainfall. Now the question arises, what is a windward side? The windward side is the mountain side which faces the side of a mountain and receives more rainfall, and the opposite side receives less rainfall and is termed as a rain shadow area. Here Pune is situated on the opposite side of Western Ghats and receive less than 70 centimeters of rainfall. So Pune is a rain shadow area. As you can see in the map, in the interior parts of the whole Deccan Plateau or central Maharashtra is also under a rain shadow area. Now the third branch of Arabian Sea reaches Rajasthan. As you can see in the map, the Aravalli's alignment is parallel to the direction of Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon winds. As such, they do not offer any obstruction. Furthermore, these hills are very low in height, as well as the moisture-laden winds passing over Rajasthan do not saturate, as the heat in the desert region increases their capacity to hold moisture and reaches Shivalik hills without shedding their moisture. That is the reason Thar is a desert, as it receives scanty rainfall. As the Arabian Sea branch moves northward, rainfall decreases as the winds are devoid of moisture. Next, we will study the advancement of Bay of Bengal branch. Look at the map of India. The advancement of Bay of Bengal branch. The Bay of Bengal branch moves parallel to the eastern Ghats. This means no rainfall on the Coromandel coast. or east coast of India. The Bay of Bengal branch is directed towards the coast of Myanmar, towards the Arakan Hills. A larger part of this branch is deflected towards the Indian subcontinent. The larger part of Bay of Bengal branch are intercepted by the northeast Himalayas, Cherrapunji located on the crest of the Khasi Hills or the funnel-shaped hills of Garo, Khasi, Jaintia obstruct the Bay of Bengal branch. As this branch is full of moisture, Cherrapunji receives the highest average annual rainfall in the world. After this, there is a decrease in rainfall as the monsoon-laden winds blows from east to west. There is a decrease in the moisture content. The moisture decreases as the Bay of Bengal branch moves from east to west. For example, Kolkata receives 120 centimeters of rainfall, Patna 102 centimeter, Lucknow 91 centimeter and Delhi 56 centimeter. The Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon winds finally merges with the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon and sheds remaining moisture at the foothills of the Himalayas, that is Shivalik hills, and gives rainfall in Punjab and Haryana. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.